Have you ever had car trouble and you're just like, how the heck am I going to pay for this? If you're a parent working full time, sadly, the reality is that probably happens every single time. And that's just been something that's so stressful for parents who work full time, and still every little thing that happens is an emergency. Just the other day, as an example, I was driving home from church and my van started overheating. I had the coolant part filled up. It was frustrating. And the worst part is it got to the point where I couldn't drive it for more than a mile without having to pull over and stop it. And it was snowing and the wind was blowing and my kids were freezing. And I just didn't know what to do. But I knew that I had to get my kids home and I had to get the car towed and brought to a shop and ready to fix. Now, usually that would have stressed me out so much because I'd be like, well, I'll just leave it on the side of the road because there's no way I'm going to be able to afford to fix whatever is about to happen. And, but I didn't have that. I was stressed, but not because of that, because I actually started building an online income, literally making money from my phone. And I built something called residual income, which is something that pays you every single month. And so for the first time, it was like, all right, well, I'm going to be able to get this car fixed. Now I just have to focus on the other stuff. So it actually took a load off my shoulders because not only am I able to pay to get my car fixed without it destroying me, but now I could focus on other things that matter because I know that this would be able to be handled. Now, luckily, I had a friend I called up to see if he can pick up the family, and he just happened to knew exactly this model of van I have, and he knew exactly what was going on, and he fixed it, and he saved me hundreds and hundreds of dollars easily. And that also brings me back to what we do online in this online marketing, online business opportunity world. Is I want to be like my friend was to me, to you guys. I don't want you guys to come into this industry trying to make money from your phone and then wasting thousands of hours and thousands of dollars. Because one of the hardest things about this industry is everything looks great and everyone's a great salesman. And like when I joined the industry, I wasted a ton of money. Like, it's disgusting. And that's what I hope to help you avoid, because I know what to look for. I know what type of business is a good one, which one is a little slimy and grimy. But I want to show you exactly the system that I've been using that has been phenomenal. First, it has a community of entrepreneurs to help you along the way. We have a phone app. You could literally grow an extra income without getting a second job that works around your family's lifestyle, that you could do even when you work full time, and you could do it all from your phone. And I want to show you that system, and it's so incredible how simple this is. Now, when I say simple, I don't mean you press a button and you make money. I mean simple as in the concepts of what you're going to do. It's step-by-step, follow instructions. And if you want to see what the system is that has brought so much peace and so much residual income into my life, just drop a comment below asking for info, and I'll send you over the link. But otherwise, guys, life shouldn't be this difficult, and I don't want you to beat yourself up if you're living paycheck to paycheck, and I don't want you to beat yourself up because every time anything happens, it becomes an emergency, because that's just the way the system works, and this is a way that you can fight it. Anyways, guys, leave a comment below. I'll reach out to you, and make sure to check out my blog at markdaytononline.com. But as always, stay blessed.